Hi everyone! In this screencast, I will show you how to use the virtual writing tutor website. But I will introduce myself first. My name is Audrey-Ann and I'm 18 years old. I've been studying social science for 2 years at Montmorency College. In social science, we learn about many disciplines like history, economics, and geography. But my favorite discipline is certainly psychology. I really enjoyed my psychology classes during college and I discovered a passion about it. In psychology, there are many books written only in English, so it's really important for me to know the terms related to my field of study in English. Next fall, I'm going to university in the psychology program, so it's even more important for me to know the basis of psychology in English. So first of all, to go to the website, you simply have to write virtual writing tutor in the address bar. Just like that. So as you can see, this address brings you directly to the website link. Like that. You click on it. So today I will show you two of the many features that the website offers. The first one is the button named Count Word. Just there. I found it really practical because many teachers want us to count the total words of a work. This feature can help us to save a lot of time and focus on the quality of a work instead of wasting time counting our words. I will show you the feature with an example. So you have to open a new tab and copy the text that you want. So just like that. After you paste it, then you just have to click on the Count Words button just there. And you can see how many words you have. So in this text, there are 61 words. You can also see the number of sentences. Just there. So that's it for the count words. The second feature that I want to present you is the text-to-speech one. Just there. It can be really helpful to eliminate the pronunciation errors. An example, when you do an oral presentation. So to use it, you just have to write your sentence in the text area and click on the text-to-speech button. So I will show you with a really simple sentence. My name is. So when you wrote your sentence, you just have to click on the text-to-speech button. So as you can see, it is really simple and really practical to find your pronunciation errors. This feature is really my favorite. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little screencast and that it will help you with your homework. Thank you.